In this video, I want to go over the Hawk Tuah niche and give you my opinion on whether that niche is safe or not. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you my opinion on whether the Hawk Tuah niche is safe, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. And to be honest, I'm a little embarrassed to show you these numbers because I think Merch is mad at me today because I got 22 sales, but only $8.43 in royalties. I'm getting crushed in returns. I have almost $30 in returns. I don't know what's going on. So a little bummed out, but no big deal. It's not about the days. It's more about the months, and the month is actually going pretty good. You know, I'm over $1,500, got over 1,000 sales. So that is going pretty well. Just kind of a crappy day just with the returns, just how it goes sometimes on Merch by Amazon. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So there's a big niche going on right now. It's called the Hawk Tuah niche, and if you don't know what it is, it's basically this woman or this young lady that went viral in one of these street interviews. I'm just gonna go ahead and share it with you on YouTube. So let's go ahead and watch it. Get my head out the way here. Let's go like that. All right, scroll up. Here.
Gotta give him that Hawk Tuah and spit on that thing. You gotta give him that Hawk Tuah and spit on that thing.
Okay, so that is the niche. This is a social media niche. It started on TikTok, I believe, but it's just gone viral. It's been all over my For You page. And if we go to Flying Research and just go to the Seller Trends tab, we're just going to see it's all over the place. So right here, here's one right here. Here's another one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and it just keeps going. And 19, 20, so there's over 20, maybe even 30 on this first page right here. So it's really just kind of taking over the internet. And like I said, I want to talk to you about if I think this niche is safe or not, because if we look, if we go to even just a Merch Informer and type in Hawk Tuah 2024, we're going to see that this one right here has a super low BSR, 29,086. You know, when I see a new trend like this with a BSR that low, to be honest, it's a little suspicious in my opinion. You know, it's almost too good to be true. So what I want to know right away is if it is safe or not. And what I like to do is I just like to go to my Merch account. So type in the niche right here, Hawk Tuah, spit on that thing, and hit the trademark button. And I'm going to see that nothing pops up. So at first glance, it looks safe. But when we go to tests and I type in Hawk Tuah, it's kind of funny to say, we're going to see that there is a trademark for this one in the 025 class live, but it is not registered. It is pending. All right. So basically the answer to the question is whether this niche is safe or not. I think for right now it is safe, but not in the future. Because it's not registered yet. It's live, but not registered. So, from my understanding with trademarks, for someone to be able to issue a takedown on Amazon or Merch by Amazon, the trademark has to be live and registered. It's not registered yet. It's just pending, and usually it takes about 6 months to 12 months for these trademarks to become registered. So basically, it's kind of like a gray area. Right now, I think it is safe. But down the road it's not going to be. Now there used to be this really cool website that I really like to use called Trade Merch, and basically what you can do is you can just pop in phrases into this website, and it would send you an email every day letting you know whether or not the niche is still safe or it has been trademarked or not. I used to use it all the time, but ever since the test made a change to their website, they basically just went out of business and they're not in business anymore. So I'm not able to do that. But that was just a really good way to keep my account safe. But it's not basically in business anymore. Now, me personally, I am choosing not to get into this niche, and the reason why is because I like niches that are more just kind of set and forget. I don't want to have to upload to this niche and then kind of be paranoid that it's going to get become registered in the future. I'm going to forget about it and then end up getting a takedown, getting a scratch, or a check mark or a flag on my account. So I would just rather deal with other niches. There's so many other niches, even though this is very tempting. And when I see BSRs like this, it does make me want to jump onto it. I remember I made a video a few months ago talking about making these political niches where you do like either food. I have one niche that's like vodka and cranberry, that's just like this with the 3 lines, the 24. It doesn't say spit on that thing, but it's basically just making fun of like Trump and Biden, and has this funny election niche right here. So it is very tempting, but me personally, I'm going to choose to pass on this one. Now obviously you guys do what you want. It's your Merch by Amazon account. Usually these type of videos where I'm talking about whether a niche is safe or not, they usually get a lot of comments. People get kind of triggered and fight about whether this niche is safe or not. So let me know what you think about in the comments. Again, me personally, I think it is safe for now, but not in the future. Me personally, I'm just going to pass on it. But you have to admit that these BSRs are very attractive, and I'm feeling a little bit of FOMO, fear of missing out. I do kind of want to jump onto it, but like I said, I'm just going to pass. Not really worth the time. I am having a bad sales day, but I've really been able to change things on my merch account. A year ago I was doing $500 a month. Now I'm doing over $2,000. Last month I did almost $3,000. So I just don't have to deal with that stress. Merch is one of my main income streams. I have a wife, a son, so I got to provide for them. So I don't want to take any chances. And like I said, there's just so many other niches, that I like to deal with or publish to. So that is what I'm going to stick with. So that is my 2 cents on whether this niche is safe or not. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think about this niche. It's funny because they can't find her anymore. She's like disappeared. They want to like make more videos about her, but it's just a funny niche. It's just crazy how things can go viral so quickly now. I remember a few months ago there was another one about like choose the bear or something like that. There's always these social media niches, and they can go viral really quick and get lots of sales. In probably like 3 months, nobody's even gonna, well, who knows, but maybe nobody will even remember this niche. We'll probably be talking about some other niche. That's just kind of how it goes. But comment below, let me know whether you think this niche is safe or not, and let me know what you think about this niche. Now I just want to go over some resources on how I'm able to get sales like this on a regular basis. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but I do pretty good, like $64, $80, $62, $70, $82, $63, $53. I think my best day this month was $143. Now today is nothing to brag about, only $8, but I'm sure tomorrow will probably be better, have a good bounce back day. But I'm now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. If you click this join button right here, you can watch this video to get more information. But basically I'm offering 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze is basically just a way to support the free content. You'll get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments. So if you have questions, you can sign up for that one. But the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold memberships. The silver is going to get you 4 videos a month, which are members only videos. It's 1 video a week. Each video comes out on Monday morning at 6 a.m. Like I said, members only videos. Now those videos are going to have 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches that also come with prompts for ideogram. And then you're also going to get a daily market update post. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you click on the membership tab, you're going to see like a post, like kind of like Facebook. And basically I'm giving you a daily market update where I'm giving you a trending niche. So every morning I wake up, I look for these trending niches, and when I find one, I post about it to my members. Basically talking about why it's trending, the competition. I share with you a link to another t-shirt that is selling in that niche. I even give you a prompt for it. I give you access to my Creative Fabrica shop where I've made a design for that niche. And then I also give you keywords for title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2. So the silver is just going to get you a lot of niches, both evergreen and trending. Now, not every day I'm able to find something. So if I can't find a trending niche, I'll give you like a prompt or an evergreen niche or just some other type of value. But if you're really into prompts, I definitely go with the gold because you're going to get everything in the silver membership, but you're also going to get once a month a Word file at the beginning of the month of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So like if you become a gold member today, June 20th, on July 1st, you're going to get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that are going to be trending in August. That way you'll have enough time to prepare, get ready, get those designs up. And so you'll have those prompts for ideogram. They're like magic prompts, they're really high quality. It seems like people are really liking the value that they're getting. The silver is only $7 a month. The gold is only $10. And if this join button, and this is where you join right here just by clicking on the join button, but if this join button is not available in your country, then you can just come to the description right here and click on this link right here where it says Patreon, because I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. So you can sign up there. And then I also have a course for beginners. So if you like watching courses like I do, I have this beginner's class for Merch by Amazon. I'm going to teach you everything that I know. It's only 20 bucks on Gumroad. Like I said, I'll teach you how I get sales like this right here. So if you're interested, check it out. And then if you want freebies, I have some free prompts. Just click my name right here where it says Michael Vandervoort. You can check out some of my other courses for Etsy, Redbubble. But here are free prompts for, well, Father's Day has passed. I got some free prompts for, I think, 4th of July. Free camping prompts, lake prompts, glamping. What else do I have? Summer prompts, back to school. This is a really popular one right now. Gardening prompts. There's a whole bunch of. I just put one out yesterday for pickleball, because pickleball day is coming up in August. So if you're into that, you can come here, cruise around. I got paid prompts and free prompts. But that is going to be it. Oh, and then if you just want to keep watching the free content, you can just subscribe to the channel. I put out videos on a regular basis talking about Merch by Amazon, trending niches, evergreen niches, prompts, AI, stuff like that. So if you're interested, subscribe. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.